The GSB Seva Mandal has been organizing the GANESHOTSAV since 1955. Located near Kingscircle, Matunga, it is regarded as one of the wealthiest and most famous mandals in Mumbai. Sri Ganesha placed in the pandal is covered with over 60 kilograms of gold. During the 5-day festival, approximately 10 to 15,000 devotees visit the mandal daily to offer their prayers to Sri Ganesha. GSB Seva Mandal Kingscircle is situated in central Mumbai. Wadala railway station on Harbour Line is approximately 1.5 kilometers from the complex. Matunga railway station in the central line is roughly about 15 minutes walk to the complex. If travelling through public buses, then it's about 8 minutes walk from Kingscircle junction. There are separate queues for general darshan through skywalk and another queue for Sevedars who wish to do Pooja. There are approximately 40 different types of puja a devotee can offer, and there is an office near to the entrance of the complex where you can register for a puja. However, there is a separate queue for this too. With thousands of visitors daily, the wait time to register for the puja and also to take darshan could exceed 4 hours at any given point of time. Hence, it's recommended to register for the puja online before visiting the complex. In GSB Seva Mandal portal, click on the online Seva booking link, select relevant Seva and the date. After you submit and complete the transaction, you will get a QR code in the digital receipt. You need to show the QR code to enter the GANESHOTSAV complex.
मङ्गलम्